All right, so the road that this Google Maps has me on outside of Alexandria to Orange, New Hampshire, is a riverbed. Yeah, but it's beautiful out here. Nothing but trees, nothing but shade. I'm burning up because I stopped at the top of the hill and had a chat with a guy. I can't remember his name, but he offered me a beer and a hot dog. He was kind of a trail angel. It was awesome. And, well, not kind of, he was a trail angel. It was pretty badass. But yeah, he's up here homesteading, off grid. And yeah, we stopped here to get some water. This water, he told me, is good enough to drink right out. Right out of the brook. I mean, it's pretty clean. I don't even see a floaty in there. We'll find out. But I've drinking from stuff like this before in the Sierra Nevadas. No issues. But yeah, beautiful out here. I've already seen one bear. Freyja alerted me, and then it took off running. It was a black bear. All they got is black bears up here. And he took off running. He's back there somewhere in there. But they warned me there's cougars and big cat out here, so gotta be careful. But yeah, stop, take a water break, and we're gonna get going. Cheers. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Donations accepted on Venmo at Onry/Buzzard, ONRY-BUZZARD. If you want to help out. Traveling.